Pothole repair often fails because people rush and skip critical surface preparation steps. Start by removing all loose debris and water from the hole using a stiff broom and, if available, a shop vacuum. Moisture and grit prevent proper adhesion. Square the edges with a cold chisel or hammer and cold chisel to create vertical sides. Sloped or ragged edges let the patch shear out under traffic. Compact, a crushed stone or coarse aggregate base in layers no more than 2 inches thick, using a hand tamper or rented plate compactor to achieve a firm foundation. For cold applied tarmac, warm it slightly according to the manufacturer guidelines by storing it in a warm area before use. If it is stiff and cold, it will not compress properly. Add the patch material in shallow lifts and compact each lift until no further movement occurs. Undercompacting leads to voids and rapid failure. Finally, finish with a thin tack coat or joint sealant around the perimeter to keep water out and prevent edge deterioration. A common mistake is not prepping the edges, which causes the patch to shear. Fix this by cutting back to sound pavement and creating clean vertical sides before filling. Another frequent error is undercompacting the material, which leaves voids that accelerate collapse. Solve that by compacting in incremental lifts until the material no longer settles. People also neglect to clean the hole of debris and water, which prevents bonding. Always remove all foreign material and allow the area to dry, or use a quick drying torch surface treatment before applying the patch. Overfilling the hole and creating a speed bump is common, so apply material slightly under flush and then compact to match surrounding pavement. Skipping the sealant leaves edges exposed to water, so run a bead of hot or cold applied joint sealant around the repair. Working with cold or stiff tarmac results in poor compaction, so warm the material gently to the recommended working temperature before using it. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to repairs like pothole fixes. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, experience, and local recommendations to help DIYers avoid those rookie errors.